Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Tencent Cloud login issues, identity and security errors step by step clearly. Start by checking your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection to avoid disruptions during the login process. Next, visit the Tencent Cloud login page. Double-check the URL to make sure you're on the official site. Enter your username and password carefully. Make sure there are no typos or unintended spaces in your credentials. If you receive an error message, note the specific issue being reported. Common errors include incorrect username or password, and identity verification failures. In case of a forgotten password, use the Forgot Password option. Follow the prompts to reset your password through your registered email. If you're facing identity verification issues, ensure that the information provided matches what's on record. Check any verification emails or SMS messages sent to you. If you are using two-factor authentication, ensure you have access to your authentication method. Try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. This can resolve many browsing-related issues that impede the login process. If problems persist, consider trying a different web browser or device. Sometimes, compatibility issues can interfere with logging in. Alternatively, you can disable any active VPNs or proxies. These can affect your connection and access to the Tencent Cloud services. If you're still unable to log in, reach out to Tencent Cloud customer support. Provide them with specific details about your issue for more effective assistance. While waiting for a response, ensure that your account hasn't been locked due to multiple failed attempts. In such cases, follow the prompts to unlock your account if the option is available. Regularly review your account security settings once you regain access. This will help you avoid similar issues in the future. Lastly, consider enabling additional security measures provided by Tencent. This can include features like enhanced verification to protect your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.